Welcome to the installation video for the 445VB Vanity Outlet Grooming Organizer. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 inch wrench or nut driver, a mallet, an awl, tape measure, pencil, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a 445 base unit, bins, a switch ramp, number 8 by 3/4 inch deep thread screws, number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, number 8 32 by 1/2 inch machine screws. Place the unit on its side and lift the slide set. Squeeze each of the release triggers to remove the slide set from the unit. Measure to find the center of your cabinet opening and gently mark with your pencil. Place the template inside the cabinet. Align the center marks of the template to the center mark of the cabinet opening and tape in place. Use an awl and mallet to mark the 11 screw hole locations. There are 4 holes at the front of the template and 4 holes in the middle. There is also a cluster of 3 holes at the back of the template. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. With the unit on its side, extend the chain and detach the end piece. Secure the end piece to the cabinet floor using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Next, loosen the 2 screws on the adjustable side bracket. Place the adjustable slide bracket flush with the side wall and retighten the screws. Mount the bottom of the slide set to the floor of the cabinet using the number 8 by 3/4 inch deep thread screws. Pre-drill the 2 holes in the side wall. Mount the slide set using the number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. A wire clamp may be installed to an undesignated area on the back of the cabinet to help secure the cord. Reattach the chain from the unit to the end piece secured to the cabinet floor by pushing firmly together. Run the cord through the wire clamp. Carefully place the units over the bottom and middle slide and engage the unit with the slide set. You should hear a click. Install the switch ramp by screwing in the number 8 32 by 1/2 inch machine screws. Use your 3/8 inch wrench or nut driver to loosen the 4 lock nuts located inside the front wall of the unit. Extend the adjustable mounting brackets just over the face frame's edge. Measure the distance from the bottom edge of the opening to the slotted holes and record those values. Next, measure the cabinet opening and then measure the door size. Take the difference of these 2 numbers and divide by 2. This number is the door overlay or inset gap. In our case, the door is larger than the opening, so we will add the door overlay to each of the slotted hole dimensions. If your door is smaller than the opening, subtract the inset gap from the slotted hole dimensions. Measuring from the bottom of the door, transfer those dimensions to the center of the thick portion of the door. Prior to pre-drilling, it's always a good idea to note the thickness of the door. Add some tape to your drill as a guide to keep you from drilling all the way through the door. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Attach your door using the number 6 by 1/2 inch screws. Precisely adjust the door skew by sliding the adjustable mounting brackets left or right as needed. Tilt can be adjusted by turning the outer screws so that it pushes against the metal bracket. Each corner is able to be adjusted independently. Once adjustments are made, secure the brackets. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.